Welcome to the wonderful world of woodworking. Whether you're taking your first steps into this rewarding craft or looking to enhance your existing skills, woodworking offers endless opportunities for creativity and self-expression. It's a fulfilling hobby that allows you to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces. From simple home decor to practical storage solutions, the projects you undertake can bring joy not only to yourself, but also to those who appreciate handcrafted items. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover the satisfaction that comes from creating something with your own hands, as well as the potential to turn your passion into a small business. In this video, we'll explore simple and budget-friendly woodworking projects suitable for beginners. Our focus will be on items that are easy to create yet highly marketable, giving you the confidence to dive in and start crafting. You don't need extensive tools or expensive materials to get started. What you do need is a willingness to learn and experiment. We'll cover practical tips on project selection, sustainable practices, and effective marketing strategies to help you successfully share your creations with the world. So, grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's embark on this exciting woodworking adventure together. If you're enjoying the content and finding it valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting woodworking tips and projects. Your support means a lot and helps us create even more engaging material. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also be interested in diving into the world of woodworking. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have some special insights and bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Together, we can build a vibrant community of woodworking enthusiasts. So let's embark on this creative journey and inspire each other along the way. Woodworking can be an incredibly rewarding hobby, especially for beginners looking to create beautiful, functional pieces. Engaging in woodworking projects not only fosters creativity, but also provides an opportunity to learn valuable skills. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. You can create a wide range of items that can enhance your home or be sold for a profit. This versatility makes it an ideal pursuit for anyone wanting to dip their toes into crafting. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is that you don't need a vast array of tools or expensive materials to get started. Many projects can be accomplished with minimal investment, making it accessible for beginners. Focusing on simple designs allows you to refine your skills without feeling overwhelmed. As you grow more confident, you can gradually take on more complex projects, enabling you to expand your repertoire. When considering what to create, think about items that can serve multiple purposes. For example, crafting a piece that can function as both decor and storage will not only attract buyers, but can also be practical for your own home. This dual functionality is particularly appealing in today's market, where space is often at a premium. Many people are searching for items that can help them organize their living spaces without sacrificing style. Another great approach is to consider seasonal themes when planning your projects. Items that resonate with specific holidays or seasons can be particularly marketable. Crafting seasonal decor allows you to tap into the festive spirit while providing customers with items they may only seek out during certain times of the year. This strategy can help you build a loyal customer base that looks forward to new offerings. Sustainability is a trend gaining traction in many areas, including woodworking. Using reclaimed or repurposed materials can not only save money, but also appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. This approach allows you to tell a story with your creations, adding value beyond just the physical object. Highlighting the eco-friendly aspects of your projects can differentiate your work in a crowded marketplace. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider the importance of learning from others. Engaging with online communities or local workshops can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Viewing others' work can spark ideas and help you understand different techniques that may enhance your own projects. Collaboration and feedback from peers can be incredibly beneficial as you refine your craft. Marketing your creations can also be done in a budget-friendly manner. Social media platforms provide an excellent stage for showcasing your work without significant financial investment. By sharing high-quality images and engaging with potential customers, you can build an online presence that draws attention to your woodworking projects. Consistent posting and interaction can turn casual followers into buyers. Pricing your items appropriately is crucial for beginners. It's essential to consider the time, materials, and effort involved in creating each piece. Start by researching similar items in the market to gauge competitive pricing. Remember, setting the right price not only helps cover your costs, but also reflects the value of your craftsmanship. As you gain experience, you can adjust your pricing strategy based on demand and quality. In addition to selling your creations online, consider local craft fairs or farmers markets as venues for showcasing your work. These events often attract individuals interested in unique, handcrafted items and provide an excellent opportunity for direct customer interaction. Engaging with customers face-to-face can lead to valuable feedback and help you build relationships that encourage repeat business. As you gain confidence in your skills, don't shy away from experimenting with different finishes and techniques. Personalizing your projects can make them unique and appealing to potential buyers. Whether it's a specific stain or paint color, these small details can make a significant difference in the final product and help you stand out from the competition. Additionally, think about diversifying your offerings. Once you feel comfortable with your initial projects, explore different categories that might attract various customer segments. This could include items for the home, outdoor decor, or even functional pieces for everyday use. A broad range of products can help you reach a wider audience and increase sales opportunities. Remember that patience is key in woodworking. As a beginner, it's natural to encounter challenges and setbacks. Each mistake can serve as a learning experience that enhances your skills over time. Embrace the journey and allow yourself to grow at your own pace. The satisfaction of completing a project and seeing it appreciated by others is worth the effort. As you explore the world of woodworking, remember that every project is an opportunity to learn and grow. Each piece you create will teach you something new, whether it's a technique, a tool, or a design principle. Embrace the challenges that come your way, as they will only enhance your skills and deepen your understanding of the craft. With each completed project, you'll not only gain confidence, but also develop your own unique style that reflects your personality and vision. In conclusion, woodworking offers a fulfilling and creative outlet for beginners. With simple and affordable projects, you can enhance your home or embark on a small business venture. Focus on functionality, sustainability, and personal touch in your creations, and you'll be well on your way to crafting pieces that resonate with buyers. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging projects and tips. Your likes and shares not only support us, but also help spread the love of woodworking to a wider audience. Together, we can build a community of passionate crafters eager to learn and create. We hope you'll join us again for future videos, and until next time, keep crafting and bringing your creative visions to life.